this one's gonna be crazy. Listen, we're on a sidewalk right now, so we're gonna get off the sidewalk. This is Black's Creek. I know there's trees all over it. We're going up Furnace Brook Parkway. I know this is Black's Creek, but you know, you can't do better than that. Are we going? Yes. So 47 seconds in, and we're on Black's Creek at Wollaston Beach. We're going to stop again. This is a creek that runs into Quincy Bay. There's Quincy Bay over there. We're not even going to show you Quincy Bay. We're going to show you Furnace Brook Parkway. This used to be a great, nice, smooth road. Going to Braintree again. Black's Creek is Southern Artery. I can see it's rougher. This is all new done roads until you get over there. Unbelievable. I thought they were doing the whole thing, but I guess not. And this is just atrocious. Why they would make this road like that, I don't know. Look at this. Obviously, these people don't want people driving down their road. Oh, that sucks. Who built this road? The sidewalk over there is no better, so we'll just bounce along this for a while. This is atrocious. Furnace Brook Parkway used to be a wonderful place to drive. This isn't even fit to walk on. Jesus Christ. Quincy, you're as bad as Weymouth. As a bicycle rider, I'll tell you, don't ride this one. Oh, God! Even to get across Quincy. Nice wide bicycle trail over there. Actually, it looks pretty good, comparatively. How can you make a road that's so bad? I know, I'm supposed to be on that bicycle path. But I wouldn't ride on that bicycle path either. 3 feet, not 6. For Christ's sake. I think you people were born yesterday. You were. God damn it. Go, you asshole. I'm a bicycle. I'm not a fucking car. This is a little bit better, but not much. Newport Avenue. Oh, I forgot to mention. I don't ride on sidewalks, so we'll see you later. Oh, this ain't bad. Brook is over there. So this is the way to the Blue Hills. And that's basically where we're going. The bicycle shop is at the foot of the Blue Hills. That's Landry Cycle Shop. It's not a well-traveled road right now, I can tell you why. Rush hour, it's blocked up, but okay, now we're coming into some square in Quincy, the end of Quincy. I'll try and find a smooth way to get through here. That is the entirety of Hey! There's a hell of one to get through. Yeah, you ride out there, then I'm gonna ride over here. It's nice and smooth, but fast. These people go fast. Now we meet with these people. No turns, you jackals. Stare them sucker down. Ha! We're through it. Beautiful house. Skating rink. Does not know where I'm going. But that's beyond where I want to be. It's doing well, it's doing well. Did you see my toy?
Yeah.
Can you make me a 24-inch front wheel with the new motor on it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, that's my next question, see?
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm gonna send you back. Can we fit the bike in the door, do you think?
Can I fit that? If you can open those doors, I can put that, but it's only 33 inches wide.
Here, why don't you bring it back?
Yeah, it's a little tight if they open their door down at the FedEx office, but
Yeah.
I'm actually here for something. So I wouldn't leave that door open. I'm sorry. I didn't open it.
Yep. I hear you. So, what are you looking for?
I have an order that came in. I got a thing on my phone that tells me it's here.
Yeah.
24 by 4 tire.
Yep, of course.